Can you really save money on groceries without lowering quality?
Absolutely. Saving money at the grocery store doesn't mean you have to eat poorly or buy lower quality items. By being strategic with your shopping habits, planning ahead, and knowing where to look for value, you can enjoy nutritious, delicious meals while keeping more money in your pocket.
What are the best shopping strategies?
Start by planning your meals and making a detailed list before you shop. This helps you avoid impulse buys and only purchase what you really need. Consider shopping at discount stores, using loyalty cards, and sticking to the store's perimeter, where fresh produce and staples are usually found.
How can you get the best value without sacrificing nutrition?
Focus on whole foods, like fresh or frozen fruits and vegetables, beans, rice, and whole grains. These are often less expensive and more nutritious than highly processed options. Buying generic or store brands can provide the same quality at a lower price. Compare unit prices to ensure you're getting the best deal.
Are there ways to save on meat and proteins?
Yes, buy proteins in bulk, choose less expensive cuts, or consider plant-based options like beans, lentils, and eggs. These are budget-friendly, versatile, and healthy. Stretch your meat further by incorporating it into soups, stews, and casseroles, where smaller amounts go a long way.
How can you prevent food waste and save money?
Plan your meals around ingredients you already have and store perishables properly. Use leftovers creatively in new recipes or freeze extras for later. Keeping track of expiration dates and rotating food items reduces waste, and every bit you save adds up on your grocery bill.